In this video, we're going to be checking out how to set up the Soundlink Color and some of its key features. We've already done the micro in a previous video, so if you'd like to see that, click the link at the end of this video. But for now, let's get into it. So in the box we have a few standard things. You get a micro USB charging cable, and of course you get a user's manual and warranty. So here it is. It comes in this black, it comes in a citron yellow, an aquatic blue, and also a polar white. I like the black, it just looks the most sophisticated. Now the Soundlink Color does have an IPX4 water resistance rating. That means you can take it in the shower or out in the rain and it would not get damaged. For connectivity options on the Soundlink Color, you've got an auxiliary in on the side of the speaker and of course Bluetooth. For pairing Bluetooth, download the Bose Connect app on your iOS or Android device. Then power on the speaker, click the Bluetooth pairing button on top of the speaker, swipe down on the app, then click pair, and just like that, you're connected.
Broke for my friends to like me, oh, but I know they see right through me cause they listen to my songs, yeah. But I don't care, no baby, I don't care. People always tell me take a breath, hey, hey, hey. I've been looking for something that haunts me all night. I've been staying up hours until the sun rises. Just so casual, always living the same life.
During my testing of the speaker, I worked out that the wireless range is about 9 meters or 30 feet. The battery life lasts about 8 to 9 hours depending on your usage. The Soundlink Color weighs in at just 0.54 kilos. That's slightly lighter than a standard football. It's extremely portable, extremely rugged, and well made. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you'd like to get yourself a Soundlink Color, head to our website, audiotrends.com.au. We've got a best price guarantee, so you'll always get a good deal. And if you've got any questions, feel free to call us on 9874 8233. Very soon we'll be releasing a comparison video between the Soundlink Color and the Soundlink Micro. If you'd like to see that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.